Welcome to Excel Nana. In this video, I will show you how to record video in PowerPoint. I think many people still not know that PowerPoint has the features for creating video. The features are in the ribbon Insert, then Media. You can see that there are commands for video, audio, and screen recording. In this video, we will focus on screen recording. Let's start from a blank slide. Select ribbon, Insert, Media, then Screen Recording. Now we are in Ready to Record workspace. You can see a red rectangle border. It is the recording area. During this step, you can change application or prepare something before recording. Now, I change to another PowerPoint file that I would like to record. Let's change the recording area by click Select Area. Before start recording, let's review all commands in the toolbar. The first one is record for start recording. Next is stop for stop recording. Next is select area for set recording area. Then audio for whether to record from microphone or not. The last record pointer for whether to record the mouse pointer or not. One more below is pin for whether to pin the toolbar to show during the recording or not. One more thing I would like you to notice is shortcut keys. For record, you can use shortcut key, window logo key, and Shift and R at the same time. For stop, we can use shortcut key, window logo key, Shift and Q at the same time. Let's start recording. Click Add Start. Then there is a countdown screen be shown up. 3, 2, 1. Now we are in recording. Everything only in red frame is recording. During this recording, you can do what you want. Now I'm going to stop the recording. We may move the mouse to the top of the screen to pull down the toolbar, then select Stop, or another way by pressing shortcut keys. I am pressing window logo key, Shift and Q. So the recording is stopped. Now it's returned to PowerPoint, showing a media object. Try to click play at the play button. It will play our record screen together with the sound.
สีแดงนะครับตอนนี้คือพื้นที่ที่เราเปลี่ยน
Here we can set animation to our media object. Let's try select play in animation ribbon, then start with previous. Then select slideshow. PowerPoint will show the slide and automatically play the video. Press Escape key to exit the slideshow. As an object in PowerPoint, you can change styles, like alter objects or shapes. As a video, you can trim the part of the video. I try to cut a short part. Only
ตัว
that
สี
I want
แด
to
ง
show by dragging the S to set start and finish time. Then click OK. Here, my video is trimmed. It is now only 14 seconds.
ครับโอเคสมมุติเรียบร้อยแล้ว
Let's check other features. We can do right click at the media object. It show feature for save media as. You can save this media object as an MP4 file. That means you can directly share it or further edit in other video editor application. However, you can continue edit the video in PowerPoint. For example, you can set the video size by change slide size. You can insert text or shape using the transition and animation features to make your video more attractive. Finally, save as your file as MP4 file. Now, we finish the introduction of video recording in PowerPoint. Your comments and questions are welcome. And thanks for watching.